Crude oil, the beauty here, has hit the highs at 61.2. Yes, we had expected oil to stay bullish, but before that, what it did, it has seen a dip towards 55.15. It has started with the gap down. And I have mentioned in my daily updates every time that it is forming a double bottom and it should bounce back. So, can we now say that crude oil has reversed? Can we expect a rise and a run here on the upside? And how far this is going to be? Are we looking at 65, 67 levels, or in fact $70 levels? Or it is just a retracement and the bears are going to crash the oil again? What should be our strategy? In order to profit trading crude oil in the coming week, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates and targets for crude oil. First with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session. And you will never get this twice a day updates anywhere from any YouTube channel without any bias, with all the logics and with precise levels. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. In this update, first we look into the indicators, first we look into the charts, and towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels. So do watch till the end. Let's start. First, we look into the weekly charts here. Now, look at the weekly charts. I've shared this several times. See, this is the channel which oil is trying to create. We have previously seen lower highs here, and also we have seen a flat bottom. And since it has come out of this squeeze, it has given a or delivered a stronger down move. Now 55 is one milestone, it appears, is offering it a greater support. What has happened whenever, or you can see last two times, whenever it has moved close to 55, we have seen a stronger reversal. Now what could happen? See, first of all, moving averages are trading with extreme divergence, extreme bearishness. The possibility of a move like this is very very high, where the prices can move towards this zone. This zone is pretty important till towards 70. And yes, oil having a scope till towards 70, that is clear here in our update. Now, why it could move towards 70? First of all, things are slightly oversold for oil. Second, if you look at the formation, see, it is formed lower highs and lower lows. There are critical resistances available for crude oil on the upside. Previously, those who follow me for long, I have shared that below 65, 63.6, 62, and then 60 are the three key levels. Now, these are going to be key resistances when oil is on the up move here. So, coming week, if you see it is staying below beyond 61.4, 61.6, we can expect 62, 63.6, 65. And beyond 65, it is going to move towards 67.2 and then, in fact, close to 70 as well. It is possible that it may take some time. It is not necessarily that it is going to achieve this in a single week, because see, as and how it starts to move upwards, it is definitely going to see a maximum resistance here. Now, the last week I have mentioned one thing: the move is outside Bollinger Bands. The prices are closing or staying outside Bollinger Bands. It is going to remain difficult, it is going to remain stressful for oil to stay outside bands, and that is what we had seen. Hitting the lows, it is bounced back. Also, another point to note, it is closed at the top. So once it stays beyond 61.4, 61.6, and then 62 levels, remember, oil is going to deliver a stronger move. We can look forward to 63.6, 65 levels here, and beyond 65 it is going to deliver a massive move. Right now, I'll not say that it is turning bullish, but yes, it may show a little further retracement. When you look at the stock IST on the weekly charts, after staying oversold here, now it has bounced back. However, it has also bought oil at a comfortable zone from where it can move towards double bottom before rising. Now, on the weekly charts, imagine if it starts to move towards double bottom. Notice it is not going to be at 55, it is going to go below 50. See, this was the time when it has hit the bottom, it was at 55. Now, if it move towards double bottom here on MACD, it is not going to be 55, it is going to be $50 levels and below. So now 55, 54.8 is going to be one critical support on the downside, which if taken any point of time in the coming week or next few weeks, imagine oil is going to move all the way towards 50 and 48. See, the MACD here is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. But notice the move in MACD here. See, this is how it has been trading. The drop here, it has to break this consolidation zone in order to confirm a reversal. Right now, the rise, the retracement, and if it starts to reverse, it is going to deliver a massive rally here. Yes, it is retracing, and if it reverses, it is going to deliver a massive rally in crude oil here. The RSI is also at bottom, which could confirm a reversal. Coming to the daily chart. Now, see on the daily charts the drop, the retracement, 20-50 period moving average, the drop, double bottom, retracing here. Now, if you treat this as double bottom, what it should move towards? It should move towards double top. Double top means a move above 70, 72.4. Though it is difficult, it is possible that we can see lower highs, but right now it appears it is aspiring towards upside. But look at the last two candles. See, after a bit of consolidation, it appears exhausted. See the diminishing bullishness here. And thus, only bullish confirmation in crude oil is if it trades beyond 62-64 zone, which should offer a greater resistance on the upside. You can see this on the daily chart. See, it is closed above 20, but it is close below median of the Bollinger Bands. And this is almost a 50% of the bands, and thus we have to stay cautious till towards at least 62. Beyond 62 is where the bulls will try to take over, and then we can expect 63.6, 65 zone very soon. So this is on the daily charts here. It is, yes, it is still staying bearish, but I am looking forward to double top and the double bottom here. The top of the channel is towards 75. Stochastic back to overbought. Notice the MACD double bottom here as well, and it is rising. It is crossed over first bullish candle. It appears that when oil opens in the coming week, first trading session itself might invite the bulls, and then you can expect a rally here towards 62, 63.6. The RSI is rising, which is again a very good sign for the bulls here. Coming to 4-hour charts, the moving averages have crossed over here, which is a very good sign for the bulls. Higher lows are seen and higher highs are seen. The highs are towards 62, and once it breaches 62, you can expect a stronger run. We can expect 63.6 and then 65. Very important for oil to break this zone at 62 and 63.6 in order to confirm the next bull run. Now notice this crossover is very important, and the support, remember 60 was a good resistance. Now this should be a good support, so at least till towards 60 and 59.6. And see then the 20 and 50 period, so till 59 we should not be treating oil as bearish. Yes, only and only if it trades below $59 levels, it should be treated bearish. And then very important for oil to break below 57.8 in order to confirm a reversal. Be mindful of this. Right now the stance is still bullish. Stochastic was overbought. It is now looking downwards, though not a good sign for the bulls. As you can see, this swings here, and hence hitting the bottom, it could bounce back, and this increases the possibility that 60 or 59.6 could be seen in the coming week, and a bounce back from these levels can be expected. Look at the MACD. What has happened on the MACD? First of all, what a great valley it has created. Then the higher highs and a good dip and a recovery. Now see this. This is what you should keep a note of. From these levels, oil prices reverses. This is the third attempt on the 4-hour charts. If this is taken, you can say this is the time when the bulls are taking over and there could be a stronger rally here. So I'll definitely watch out on the 4-hour charts. The beginning of the week is going to remain critical here. The RSI is trading at the peak and at comfortable levels. Coming to the monthly. On the monthly charts, first of all, notice it was outside Bollinger Bands. Yes, oil is outside Bollinger Bands. The preceding months closing were outside Bollinger Bands. The bands are definitely expanding here. It's a bearish sign, but notice it cannot sustain a complete movement outside bands here. Very difficult, and that is why what we are seeing, it has formed a double bottom. It is moving upwards, and now this increases the possibility of oil moving all the way towards $70 levels here. This zone it would like to achieve in this month itself. And see, this crossover on the monthly charts is very important. Now this crossover on the sell side in monthly charts is appearing after 10 years. Yes, this was the time in 2015 when we have seen a bearish cross here. In fact, during COVID, it was staying bearish. It is stayed with the bearishness here. This was the bullish cross, and now after almost 10 years, the oil is crossing over on the sell side. This is significant. However, this also implies, see, lower highs are there, lower lows are there, and the top of the channel towards 70 72.4 is what it needs to break. If this is taken any point of time, and if 75 is taken any point of time this month, next month, you can say now this is the time when reversal should begin, where the oil prices are going to move towards 100. Stochastic at bottom, double bottoming is done. A possible reversal can be seen. Look at MACD. See, MACD, I am just looking at these waves. It is almost been a year since these waves are extending here. There is no crossover. We have to wait for a crossover, and the month of May is going to remain important because this could mean a reversal. Where it closes the month is going to be important. If it closes above 70, 72.4, I think we are ready for a good bull run in oil in the near future, where we might see the prices heading towards 80. Right now, the stance is pretty bearish. RSI is also at stochastic and RSI both are at bottom here. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And friends, before I provide you the levels, remember it is very important. See how easily we have analyzed live with the help of charts and indicators the expectation of the moves, and this could also maximize your profit if you also learn this art of trading and analyzing here and take your own decisions. We have designed our mentorship batch curriculum accordingly so that a novice trader, with the help of the strategies and the tools, can help you become a pro trader in uh, near term. Yes, and thus you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch. 32nd mentorship batch started last week. 33rd batch is going to start in the first week of June. Do not miss to register for it. Do not waste your time and money by trading on your own without learning. Invest in your learning first and enjoy and reap the profits throughout life. So connect with me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And yes, friends, those who do not have much time to decide your own trades, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. Connect with me, write an email or ping me your Telegram for your queries. Now, first thing is where to buy. Yes, you can buy at 61.4, or you can buy at 61.2 itself. Expect 61.6, 62. Beyond 62, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 62.8, 63.6. If this is taken, stay bullish for 64.5, 65.1. Once this is taken, I will see 66, 67.2, 68, and see once it breaches 68, you are looking forward to 69.3 and then 70. Very crucial, very important. It is possible it can try to move towards this zone in the month of May itself, and hence you have to be trading with caution on the downside. On the downside, the support levels now are getting stronger, at which increases the possibility of a good bull run in crude oil in the month of May and June here. Now, on the downside, where you should sell. See, ideally now the selling entry has to be below 59.6, but these are far below level. I will recommend you to sell here at 60. Expect 59.6, 59.4 as the first support zone. Very important. 58.8 the next, 58.2 the third, and 57.8 the fourth. Till here it has got stronger support. Do not consider oil as bearish as long as 57.8 is respected. Below 57.8, expect 57, 56, and 55. Now below 55, it should be treated for a crash, and then expect 52 and $50 levels, chances for which appears to be very less as far as my analysis and my opinion is concerned. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend here. Thank you.